If you're sleeping 7 hours, drinking coffee, trying to be productive, and you're still exhausted, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your energy system is out of sync. Most people think being tired is normal. It's not. What's normal is running on broken habits that quietly drain you every single day. And the scary part, you probably don't even notice the damage. For years I thought being exhausted was just normal. I'd say things like, I'm just not a morning person, or I guess I'm always low energy. But here's what changed everything. I stopped guessing and started studying. I dove deep into sleep science, energy research, circadian rhythms, habits, routines, and tested everything on myself. And today, I'm sharing what actually worked. This is your practical, science-backed roadmap to feeling awake, clear, and energized again. If you implement even one of these, your mornings could feel very different. Step 1. Are you actually sleeping enough? Let's get the obvious out of the way. How many hours are you sleeping? Consistently. For most adults, the optimal range is 7 to 8 hours per night. Not 5. Not, I'll catch up on the weekend. Not, I function fine on 6. Research shows that regularly sleeping under 6 hours significantly reduces cognitive performance, reaction time, memory, focus, all drop. And here's the dangerous part. When you're sleep deprived, you often don't realize how impaired you are. If you're constantly tired, the first question isn't complicated. Are you giving your brain enough time to recover? Step 2. Know your chronotype. Are you naturally sharper at 6 a.m., or do your best ideas hit at 11 p.m.? This isn't laziness, it's biology. Some people are wired as early types, others are wired as night types. And if you constantly force yourself into a schedule that fights your natural rhythm, your sleep quality suffers, even if the hours look correct. If you have flexibility in your schedule, align it with your natural rhythm. You'll fight yourself less, and you'll feel less exhausted. Morning reset. Change your alarm. Melodic alarms reduce grogginess compared to harsh beeping. And stop hitting snooze. Every time you snooze, you restart your sleep cycle only to interrupt it again. Instead of snoozing for 20 minutes, sleep 20 minutes longer and wake up once. Move immediately after waking. Even 30 to 60 seconds of movement increases alertness. Stretch, walk, do squats. Then get light in your eyes. Morning sunlight regulates your circadian rhythm and improves sleep quality tonight. Hydrate before caffeine. Water first, coffee second. Caffeine strategy. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that builds sleep pressure, but its half-life is around 6 hours. That 6 p.m. coffee, half of it is still active at midnight. If you struggle with sleep, move caffeine earlier. Better sleep equals better energy tomorrow. During the day, food affects energy. Heavy processed meals often lead to crashes. Balanced whole foods and fiber stabilize energy long-term. Avoid heavy meals right before bed. Exercise consistently. It improves deep sleep, total sleep time, and daytime alertness. You don't need extreme workouts. Start small. Stay consistent. If you nap, keep it 20 to 30 minutes. Longer naps should be around 90 minutes. A full sleep cycle. Avoid napping late in the afternoon. Alcohol may feel relaxing, but it suppresses REM sleep and reduces sleep quality. Take a warm shower before bed. It helps your body cool down afterward, which signals sleep. Make your room cool and dark. Dim lights. Remove bright clocks. If possible, keep phones out of the bedroom. If you can't fall asleep after 20 to 30 minutes, get up and do something calm in dim light. And if you wake up in the middle of the night, don't check the clock. The most powerful habit: develop a consistent sleep schedule. Same sleep time, same wake time, even on weekends if possible. Your brain loves rhythm. When your body knows when sleep happens, it prepares automatically. For me, this was the biggest shift. Energy isn't random, it's built. If this helped you, commit to one change this week. Like the video, subscribe for more science-backed habits, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.